Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a tastefully furnished 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house for rent in Trelawny. Located in the beautiful beach adjacent community of Duncans Bay, you will find this home with a well laid out fruit garden and generous outdoor space for relaxation. Ideally located 10 minutes from the developing town of Falmouth and 40 minutes from the Sangsters International Airport. Enjoy vacation living with spacious rooms, AC, and hot water. It is just a minute away from the beach. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US $1,200 or Jamaican $184,600 per month. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.